It's welcome.
Ngokomthetho wekhomishana yezobulungiswa kuleli kumele imigomo yokusebenza kwamajaji ibukezwe njalo emva kweminyaka emithathu yinhloko yamajaji ibambisene nongqongqoshe wezobulungiswa. Zonke izinguquko eziphakanyiswayo kumele zethulwe ngaphambi kwePhalamende ukuze zigunyazwe. Kodwa ke sekuphele iminyaka lemigomo yokusebenza kwamajaji ingabukezwa.
As far as we are aware, there has been no revision of the Code of Conduct since it was first passed in 2014. However, this does not mean that the Code of Conduct is invalid. It simply means that the Code of Conduct is still valid in terms of the law. However, there just has not been a revision that has been done to the code.
Yiwo futhi lo mgomo owaholela ekutheni kugcine sekuphenywa ukuyiphatha kowabe eyinhloko yamajaji uJustice Mukhweng ngenkulumo ayisho ngezwe iIsrael. Engxoxweni abanayo neSABC oyinhloko yamajaji uJustice Raymond Zondo ukuvumile ukuthi lemthetho sekunesikhathi ingabukezwa.
We should look at it and see whether it needs any amendment or not. Yes. So it's something that I will be looking at in due course. I can't remember the actual wording, but I do know that certainly it's supposed to be reviewed within a certain period of time, and so if it says must, and that period has come and gone without it being reviewed, we obviously will have to do what we can, even if it's after. But obviously, if that period has not lapsed, then we must comply.
Yiwo futhi lo mgomo wokusebenza uma kade bona weANC uTony Yengeni athi wephulwe uZondo. Akukacacike ukuthi ingabe ikhomishana yezobulungiswa kuleli zikhona yini izinyathelo ezosithatha ngesikhalo sika Yengeni.